Why the hell make a video about panda poop? Surely there are better things to do in life. I mean, we see a giant panda munching on bamboo, rolling around adorably. We think that's the cutest thing I have ever seen. But here's something they don't show you in those viral clips. That same panda is going to poop about 40 pounds of waste today. That's 100 times every single day. Yeah, but why should I care? Let me explain why this bathroom marathon isn't a simple quirky fun fact. It's actually a fascinating story about evolution, diet, and one of nature's most bizarre biological mismatches. Let's start with their diet first. Pandas consume almost nothing but bamboo, up to 40 pounds of it every single day. That's like you eating 160 cups of celery every day for the rest of your life. Now, bamboo is everywhere in the mountainous forests of central China, where pandas make their home. These misty, dense forests in provinces like Sichuan, Shaanxi, and Jiangsu are filled with over 20 species of bamboo. So you would think pandas hit the evolutionary jackpot, right? Unlimited food source, beautiful habitat, what could go wrong? Well, bamboo is one of the least nutritious foods on the planet. It's basically wood. It's tough, fibrous, and contains very little protein or fat. Most of what bamboo offers is cellulose, a complex carbohydrate that's extremely difficult to digest. It's so hard to break down that most animals cannot eat it at all. Pandas are bears. They are members of the carnivora order, the same group that includes wolves, lions, and yes, other bears. Their ancestors were meat eaters, and pandas still have the digestive system of a carnivore. This is evolution's equivalent of trying to run a modern software on a computer from 1995. It just doesn't work properly. Pick any carnivore, any apex predator. Its digestive system would be short and simple, designed to quickly process meat, which is nutrient-dense and easy to break down. Herbivores, on the other hand, have long, complex digestive systems, often with multiple stomach chambers, filled with specialized bacteria that can break down plant cellulose over many hours or even days. What do pandas have? Well, neither. They just have a single-chambered stomach and a relatively short intestinal tract. They even lack the specialized gut bacteria true herbivores have. When a panda eats bamboo, that bamboo shoots through their system like a water slide. The average passing time is about 8 to 14 hours, incredibly fast compared to other herbivores. As a result, pandas only absorb about 17% of the nutrients from the bamboo they eat. The rest comes out of the other end, barely digested. That's why they poop so much. This diet and this digestive system combined leads to laziness. You have seen the videos. Pandas lounging around, moving in slow motion, taking breaks every few bites of bamboo. They spend up to 14 hours a day eating and most of the rest sleeping or resting. This isn't just laziness. This is survival. Because pandas extract so few nutrients from their food, they have basically evolved to conserve every single calorie. Their metabolic rate is extremely low, about 38% lower than what you would expect for an animal their size. Their body temperature is lower than most mammals. They move slowly and avoid running or climbing unless absolutely necessary. In their natural habitat, those cool, foggy mountain forests, pandas have essentially become the sloths of the bear world, and it's all because of their diet. They simply don't have the energy for anything else. But the million-dollar question is, if bamboo is such terrible food, why do pandas eat it? Scientists believe it comes down to competition and availability. Millions of years ago, pandas' ancestors likely started supplementing their meat diet with bamboo during times when prey was scarce. Bamboo had three huge advantages. It was everywhere, it grew all year round, and nobody else wanted it. Over time, pandas became more and more specialized. They developed strong jaw muscles and flat molars perfect for crushing bamboo. They evolved a pseudo-thumb, an extended wrist bone that helps them grip bamboo stalks. They even lost their taste receptor for umami, the savory taste associated with meat. But evolution didn't give them the one thing they really needed: a proper digestive system for their new diet. Evolution is messy and slow, And sometimes animals get stuck with biological compromises that seem almost comical. And let's address the elephant, or rather the panda in the room. Why are they so cute? Those round faces, black eye patches, roly-poly bodies, and clumsy movements trigger every nurturing instinct humans have. It's the same response we have to human babies. Interestingly, their cuteness might be partially related to their diet. That round body, it's because they need to eat constantly and store what little fat they can. That slow, gentle demeanor, energy conservation. Those big cheeks, packed with muscle for crushing bamboo. Their adorable appearance has made them the poster child for conservation, which is possibly the only reason they haven't gone extinct. Their habitat is shrinking, their reproduction rate is absurdly low, and their diet is so specialized that they can't adapt to environmental changes. So yes, pandas poop about 100 times a day because they are evolutionary mismatched to their lifestyle. They are carnivores eating a herbivore diet with a digestive system that just cannot handle it. They are lazy because they have to be. They live in remote mountain forests because that's where the bamboo is. And somehow, despite all of these disadvantages, they have become one of the most beloved animals on Earth. They have turned their biological disaster into a conservation success story, simply by being absolutely adorable while doing it. Next time you see a panda video, remember that cute bear munching bamboo is about to visit the bathroom, again, for the 100th time that day.